What is popping, guys? We are at a dog park, very dangerous ones. Look at all the branches, the roots sticking out of the ground. See it? Anyway, we're at the dog park. We brought Brooklyn with us. Harley, obviously. There they go over there, right here. So we bought them. The house has got a showing right now. It's an open house, excuse me. So we had to leave so people can come see the house. So because if you don't know, it's for sale. So, but today's video. So you saw the notice. You know, I detest the idea of starting over in the corporate world. Like, I don't want to go to another job and start at the bottom and work my way up. I feel like I've put my time in. I've, I worked my way up. I paid my dues, but I'm also not ignorant to the fact that, I got bills to pay. So I got to do what I got to do so that I can at least alleviate some of the pressure that we have as far as bills. But I detest the idea of having to start over. So I put the applications in. Every morning I get up, and as Lexi's getting ready for work, I'm putting applications in. I'm on Indeed, I'm on ZipRecruiter, and I'm just scrolling to see what is something that I'm comfortable with and apply and hope for the best. And these are the responses that I got. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I was frustrated. When I got the first one, that level of frustration was real. But the second one made me shed a tear because I was just so far gone. Like, what do these people want? You know what I mean? Like, I'm somebody who has over a decade worth of experience doing customer service and management, leadership, like, you know what I mean? And I believe that, those are things I should be able to take anywhere. You just teach me how you need me to do it at your job. That is frustrating. Like, what exactly is you want? So, but I think that the first thing in order to get over it is that I had to acknowledge my feelings. And I was fucking pissed. But what am I going to do about it? I don't know. I don't know. All I could do is keep applying, not give up. But I tell myself, that is an honest opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But I say to myself at certain points, well, maybe this is a reason why I haven't found a 9 to 5. Maybe I'm not supposed to get a 9 to 5. Maybe not getting a 9 to 5 is motivation for me to dive in deeper to what I really want to do, which is mentoring and coaching. That's what I really want to do. That's what's going to bring me the most joy. That's what's going to bring me the most fulfillment is mentoring and coaching. So maybe the door is left open for me to do that. What you think? Now, I think that we've all been here at some point, right? We've all wanted to do something or get something or win something, and we didn't win. It wasn't our time. So I consider that this is just a part of the journey, you know what I mean? Like, maybe that wasn't the job for me. Those weren't it for me. That's not what was installed. So now, if you have been rejected before, and like I said, most of us all. I want you to know, like, this doesn't define who I am. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not a loser. I'm not a failure because I got a rejection letter. Like I said, rejection is part of the process, and sometimes in order to find the right job, you have to go through enough bad ones to get there. So it doesn't mean that you're worthless or you're a failure or that you're somehow the world's biggest loser now because it simply means that that wasn't the job for you. So do me a favor. In the comments, talk to me about a time that you were rejected. A time by you where you went for something, you put your all into something and you didn't get it. And how it felt and what you do about it. Let's learn from each other. Let's get, let's have this conversation. I'd love to hear it. So the long short of it is that, in the end, this frees me up to give me the time to do what I really want to do, which is make this content and be a coach and a mentor to you. Like, this is what fuels my fire. This is what gets me up in the morning. This is what I'm passionate about. So, while, I need a 9 to 5 because I need, I got bills to pay and I want to live comfortably and eventually get back on my own feet and stuff like that. But, if those jobs weren't it for me, then who am I to argue with God's plan? You know what I mean? And that's what I believe. So right now, I'm just going to make this content. I'm going to put everything into this channel to be the coach and mentor that I know that I can and want more than anything to be, to help you succeed and get to the levels of success in your life that you really want to be at. And I feel like I can do something about that. So that's what I'm going to do, man. I'm not going to let it stop me. And then, and I'm going to keep doing it until, the perfect job comes along. And if that's the case, I'll take it. But if not, then maybe God's got something else in store for me. And I just need to stay on the course to do it. So that's my plan. And don't let it get you down, man. You know what? Fuck them jobs. You don't need them anyway. We finna make it on our own. It's not where you start. It's where you finish. Peace.